Seriously? My highlighter doesn't work.
Billy, try my rainbow highlighter. My pencil. All done.
Oh. Are you kidding me, Joyce? Joyce, can I borrow your pencil?
Sure. Here you go.
How do I write with these? Ugh, how could I draw a circle with a broken compass? Joyce, the teacher's coming.
Don't worry, look.
Be careful, Joyce, the teacher's coming.
Don't worry.
Exam! I didn't study.
Me neither. Teacher! Hi everyone! If you like our school supplies hacks such as making a pencil compass, balloon sharpener, hiding pencil phone case, and more,
Please remember to subscribe to our channel.
and don't forget to give us a big like and comment.
See you in the next video.
Bye!